For the second part of this assignment, I had to create objects as well as manipulating and navigating through the improvement software using the commands from the scripts given for the virtual world. And in order to do that, I used my name as well as a password given to log into the software. In order to log into the virtual world, I had to create one by clicking on Grid Manager. As you can see, there's a list in of different virtual, and to create a new one, I clicked on Add New Grid, where I typed in beds as the grid name, as well as inputting the login URI. After that, I clicked on Apply and pressed OK. And after that, I logged into the software. As you can see, after logging into the software, it shows the virtual world loading, as well as showing a message which welcomes the user for the avatar. The task was split into two activities where I had to learn through the steps of using LSL, as well as learning how to create an object through a tool. As you can see, click on the build button, make sure the create tool is in the build toolbox. Also had the chance to create a command script, taking and placing object into and from inventory, as well as having the chance to navigate through the virtual worlds with my avatar. After completing the tasks, the screenshot shows the object that are created, where I can able to edit. So if I just click on edit the box, it shows the first object I created called my first object, where I can be able to edit the texture, where I choose the texture as this, and then select, and then the color I choose none. And as you can see, it shows a very blank color. Sometimes you can be able to play around a bit, where you go to objects and then click on my first object. It shows that the object is being worn on the left hand. It shows that it's kind of overwhelming. If it feels, if you feel like you want to take it off, then click on that. After that, I can be able to show how to get the scripts loading by using the command script given. Here's the example I've used for the touch script. As you can see, it shows the default, and it shows that once the object is touched by the avatar, there will a message that will be appear that says I have been touched by. It will detect the name of the avatar, and it shows another message where it shows I am owned by, and it will give the name of the owner of the avatar. So I'll just right click and choose touch, it shows that the avatar has been touched by the name, my name, as well as the name only of the avatar. So it says I've been touched by with my name, and I am owned by with my name. There's also options where you can actually change colors with the channels. So there's an example of a channel script where it shows the list of the color names, red, green, and blue. List of the color vectors 100, 010, or 001, whichever you would prefer. And if you go down, it shows that the channel number is 5. If you just click on like I listen and 5, it will come up. So for example, if I want to change the color to red, I'll type in /5 red. It shows that the first object has been changed to red. Or if I want to change another color, then /5 space green. It shows that the change to green. Or change it to blue, /5 blue, and it's changed to blue. Okay, now that I've learned how to manipulate the shapes and objects, I managed to show the script created. This is how you can use the open world, and that's the end of part 2.